Today we're gonna make peanut butter blossoms, a favorite Christmas cookie. I'm Nikki Kleckis and this is Nikki's Modern Mediterranean. Peanut butter cookies are one of my favorite must-have cookies to make during the holidays. I've been making this cookie with my mom since I was a little kid, and now I enjoy making them with my kids. So to get started, we're gonna combine our dry ingredients, which are 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So give that a little toss. I'm gonna leave this set aside. Next, our wet ingredients. We have 1 stick of softened butter. Take this out the day before you're baking so it's nice and soft. So we have 1 stick of butter, a half a cup of light brown sugar, a half a cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of peanut butter. I'm gonna put that all in this bowl. And I remember doing this as a kid. This was one of my favorite cookies to make. My mom would always do the mixing part, but I always got to unwrap the Hershey Kisses and I would eat some too. So we're gonna mix this together with a hand mixer. Once we have that all combined, we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg. Whisk that together. Next, we're gonna add in our flour mixture slowly. So this is usually the job that I give my kids to do. So I'm gonna put in a little bit there, whisk that together. So I'm gonna take this mixture, just gonna put this into a nice little ball, and I'm gonna stick this in the fridge for at least 40 minutes to get nice and chilled before we start rolling out our cookies. I've taken the dough out of the fridge and it's ready to roll. So for holidays, I love to bake lots of different cookies and to package them and give them as little special treats to different people in my life and our neighbors and all of our friends. So I'm gonna give our peanut butter cookies a little fun, festive twist. So I'm gonna take our peanut butter rounds that we have here and I'm gonna roll them in different sanding sugars. So this is where you can really incorporate the kids into helping you by having them roll them in sprinkles or different sanding sugars to give them that little holiday feel. We're gonna put them right on a non-stick baking pan. You could also line the pan with parchment paper, but I love these really fun colored baking pans here. So trying to make them all nice and even, but I'm gonna do a little red. Now they have all these fun Hershey Kisses, not only the milk chocolate, but they also have the white and chocolate striped ones, which are really gonna add a nice twist to our cookies. We've rolled our cookies and now we're gonna put them in the oven, 375 for about 10 to 12 minutes. When we take them out, then we're gonna add the Hershey Kiss. Our cookies are ready. After you take them out of the oven and just let them cool for about a minute, next we're ready to put our Hershey Kisses in. So I'm gonna take our chocolate Hershey Kiss and you just press it gently down into your cookie. It's still nice and soft. It always feels like Christmas when I'm baking cookies. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.